So most homeowners are perfectly fine changing flappers. There's a couple of oddball commodes that have pistons and stuff that rise up and down on them that have little rubber seals. They're not hard to change, but they can be a little daunting to look at because they don't look like your traditional tank flapper. Most homeowners, if they're comfortable with it, can change a fill valve fairly easily. Anything beyond that, I would tell them you're going to want to go ahead and call a plumber. If you're not sure which of those parts to replace, calling a plumber is the right thing to do. Typically, my guys, when we go out, I'm not going to replace just one part of the assemblies inside your toilet. I'm here. We know it's leaking. Today, it's the flapper. I'm already here. I'm going to replace all of the moving parts inside your toilet. It's going to come with a warranty, and we don't have to worry about it. A lot of times, homeowners go, well, I changed the flapper 3 times, and it's still leaking. That's because it turns out it was the fill valve, and they didn't bother to change that. So typically, when my guys go out, we're just going to change it all. It's all the same age. Parts are starting to wear out. We're going to redo everything. And you can start over again fresh with a fresh warranty on everything in the toilet. If you have an older toilet that now that we've gone to 1.6 gallon flushes and all the way down to 1.28, the newer toilets, if it's a poor performing brand of toilet, because sadly there are some out there, we may not recommend spending the money to rebuild it. Rather put that money towards a better brand that's going to flush better for you. In the good old days when everything was a 3 gallon or 4 gallon flush commode, sure, rebuilding it was a solid idea because you can make it last for years longer. Now it's really going to depend on how old is the commode you have and is it a decent one to begin with. I don't want to rebuild your Home Depot brand commode and charge you for that when you could put that money towards a Toto, a Kohler, an American Standard that's just going to treat you better for the rest of its lifespan.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.